Hi guys, it's James from Advanced In Car. Today we've been back working in the Jaguar F-Type again. This customer's already had the factory style reversing camera with moving guidelines and has then requested a front camera. So we've had the bumper off today, added a neat little camera right in the front of the bumper as low as possible. It looks really good and this is how it works. So we just put the car into reverse. Normal rear image comes up with your moving guidelines, as you can see. And then as soon as you put the car into drive, it then maneuvers straight into the front camera, which is timed out and then stays on the screen for 11 seconds. So there you go, you got into your maneuver there, and we can then put it back into reverse. Rear image and put it back into drive again. Got your front camera image. Now we've set it so as low as it possibly can, because of course cars don't come out the sky, and it really pick up some really good detail and has got a really nice wide lens on it. So back into reverse, and then as soon as you pop it into drive or park, we'll go straight into the front camera. It stays on for 11 seconds. So there's a Jaguar F-Type. This is 2017. This particular one has the 8-inch touchscreen, Pro touchscreen, but this is available also for the 10-inch as well. So if you've got one of these, you fancy this bit of kit, get in touch. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching.